Discover the secret to nutrient-dense weight loss success. Are you tired of trying countless diets for weight loss, only to find yourself feeling frustrated and discouraged? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with weight loss every day. But what if I told you there's a way to lose weight that doesn't involve restrictive diets or grueling workouts? It's called the Whole Foods Diet. And it's all about focusing on nutrient-dense foods to help you shed pounds and feel great. In this video, we'll explore the science behind nutrient-dense weight loss and share proven strategies that have helped countless people achieve their goals. The Whole Foods Diet is based on the simple premise that our bodies thrive when we consume whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, we can feel more satisfied, have more energy, and ultimately lose weight. This approach is backed by numerous studies that show the benefits of a nutrient-dense diet for weight loss and overall health. The key to success with the Whole Foods Diet is understanding what nutrient-dense foods are and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Nutrient-dense foods are those that provide a high amount of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, relative to their calorie content. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. So, how can you start incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet for weight loss success? Here are some proven strategies to help you excel at nutrient-dense eating. 1. Prioritize fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables at each meal. These nutrient powerhouses are low in calories and high in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support weight loss and overall health. 2. Choose whole grains. Swap out refined grains like white rice and white bread for nutrient-dense whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied while also supporting healthy digestion. 3. Opt for lean proteins. Incorporate lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like beans and lentils into your meals. These proteins are lower in calories and fat compared to their higher fat counterparts, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. 4. Include healthy fats. Don't shy away from healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These nutrient-dense fats help keep you full and satisfied while also supporting heart health and brain function. 5. Snack smart. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like fresh fruit, veggies with hummus, or a handful of nuts to keep you satisfied between meals and prevent mindless snacking on high-calorie, nutrient-poor options. 6. Plan your meals. Take time each week to plan your meals and grocery list, focusing on incorporating nutrient-dense foods. This will help you stay on track and make healthier choices throughout the week. 7. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues and savor each bite of your nutrient-dense meals. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy relationship with food. Remember, the key to weight loss success is consistency and patience. By consistently incorporating these strategies and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals and improving your overall health. If you found this video helpful and are ready to take the next step in your weight loss journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share your progress in the comments below. We're excited to be a part of your journey to better health. And can't wait to hear about your success with the Whole Foods diet.